This is another hive that was a split. We're going to take a peek and see how it's progressing. I haven't even smoked these girls. I'm just going to see what happens here. Got one of them inspecting me. Not too excited. Tons of pollen here. And a couple of queen cups on the face. Empty brood comb. Emerged brood, no queen cells. Lots of pollen stored, nectar stored. Notice the hive is really calm. Again, I didn't even smoke them. To me, this looks like a hive hanging out waiting for a queen to come back. It has that look about it. I'm gonna go grab my smoker. I just want to give a gentle puff where I want to grab the frame here. And I'd like them to be out of the way so I don't pinch any bees. Here again, emerged brood. Looking to see if I find a queen or any queen cells. Don't see any. Look at these bees, they're really calm. Not bothered at all by my presence. So again, I say I think this is a hive just waiting for a queen. Maybe the queen is out mating today. Because I see a number of emerged queen cups. Take a look one more. Some of these bees are really dark. They have really black and gray. So this is another frame of brood, but no queen visible whatsoever. And I think this is the last functional frame in the... actually there's one more. Let's take a look at that. Considering that they're calling for thunderstorms today, these girls are really behaving. I would have expected them to be a little bit crazy today. Now this is a brood frame, and what I see on a brood frame is there is a queen cell, and it is open. And what does it have in it? Anything? And it has a fresh larva in it right here. So they are making a queen as we speak. Now there's something interesting that you don't get to see. There's a queen cell that they just tore down. It has a hole in it. Let me make sure that's showing up on the camera. So this is an interesting frame right here, and let me show you why. If I can get it to stay still. Well, look, there's a queen right there. How about that? There's a queen. There's a queen cell, and it's got a queen in it. There's a queen cell, and they're tearing it down. Let me get it out of the way. See the hole in it? And there's another queen cell right here that they've made. And I just saw a queen wandering around on this frame. So you have to wonder if she's emerged and she's going around tearing down the other queen cells. Let me see where she went. See if I could find her again. She may have snuck off to the other side of the frame. But you could see this bee right here is literally tearing that cell down. That is really cool. So this was a swarm hive, or about to swarm, and we pulled it out to do swarm management, and we made a split from it, and they've made a queen, and she is right here. She's buried underneath these other girls. Right here she is. Tucked underneath everybody, but walking around. And I said this hive had a calm demeanor. It's because they have a queen. They got her covered up. So let me put this back and we're good to go. We know this hive is going to be queen right, and we will let it go to its devices.